On their website, Geico, the second largest insurance company in the US, brags that they can resolve claims in 48 hours. Now let's examine the truth. Let's go over the different scenarios. If it is a minor car accident, there's just a scratch, no bodily injury or very little, sure, Geico adjusters may be able to resolve the claim expeditiously. For example, they can fix your car, authorize the car repair, and issue the check very quickly, and they can throw even a little bit of money for your bodily injury for you to go away. Normally the process in any insurance company is such that there are two sets of adjusters initially. Set number one, they're dealing with people who are not represented by attorneys. Set number two, when the person is represented by attorneys, there's a different approach. So if you're not represented by an attorney and you call the insurance company and you tell them, I was injured, they'll give you a tiny amount and have you sign the form called release. That form will ensure that you will never, ever be able to go after them in the future should your injuries turn out to be a lot more than you thought of originally. They have extensive training of their employees, and they have a well-oiled machine on how to handle claims. However, if there are substantial injuries that a person sustained as a result of another, and they're dealing with Geico Insurance Company, that's where you see a totally different side of their approach. The claims usually are not settled in months. Sometimes it takes even longer. Any claimant has 2 years. Statute of limitation dictates that you can file a lawsuit basically against the wrongdoer no later than in 2 years. So to assist you in understanding how the personal injury case goes forward, I'll provide a short explanation. At first, a person is treating. Once the treatment is concluded, that's when the attorney requests all the reports from the medical providers. The attorney examines the reports and puts so-called demand letter to the insurance carrier, demonstrating how the injuries sustained were a result of the negligence of the driver insured by that company. Once the demand letter is received by the insurance company, they have a month to respond. After responding, they may or may not put the fair amount on the table for which my client is going to be compensated. And that's where it could take a longer time. If the settlement offer is not fair, then the attorneys will file a lawsuit, and that's gonna delay the settlement even further. Remember, if the case has not settled within 2 years from the date of the accident, then the lawsuit has to be brought before expiration of a 2-year period, or you'll never be able to get any compensation for your injuries.
For more personal injury content such as this, please check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.